Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinka's channel.
In today's video, we're diving into Windows Moon Valley Beta 3, a groundbreaking mod for Windows enthusiasts. Windows 11, much like Windows 10, has been criticized for design inconsistencies, with outdated interface elements and an uneven aesthetic across the system. Tools like Rectify 11 have worked to streamline and enhance the OS's visual design.
We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know.
Windows Moon Valley takes this a step further, not only refining the design but also improving the overall functionality of Windows. The project is a blend of Windows 10X, which was initially designed for dual-screen devices, and Windows 11. Beta 3 introduces major updates, including smoother animations, new system icons, and performance tweaks that result in a more cohesive user experience.
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping close.
The installation process is straightforward. After downloading the 6 GB ISO file, you can create a bootable USB or install it in a virtual environment, which is safer for testing purposes. Upon boot up, you'll notice changes such as new animations in WinRAR, Windows Recovery Environment, an updated Windows Media Player icon, and improved clock synchronization.
Your name. Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in.
The beta release brings several under-the-hood improvements, such as enhanced system performance, smoother UI animations, and updated icons in key areas. Additionally, fixes to the out-of-box experience, OBE, ensure a smoother first-time setup, with tweaks to the clock and media player for a more seamless experience.
If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name.
Holding your hand, fighting for the things that we want. Be the rock you lean on, with you by my side. Baby, when we fall, together we'll rise. 'Cause I've traveled so far just to get to where you are. And I know
This mod addresses the gaps left by Windows 11, enhancing consistency and usability. By borrowing elements from Windows 10X, Windows Moon Valley offers a hybrid experience that both longtime users and new adopters can appreciate. That wraps up today's overview of Windows Moon Valley Beta 3. Whether you're looking to enhance your current setup or explore the latest modded operating systems, this version is a must-try. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.